Web travelers, I have some epic box to open up, and that's this one. Why it is so much hype? Well, got the story added a new rarities to each set, and like set specific rarities. So I'm very curious to see which rarities we have in 5v1. I haven't looked at it online, so I don't know shit about it. I just know that they have them, and maybe we can see some on the side of the box. So let me just open this up. Alright, so that is the box, and if we look here we see MRSSR. Alright, nothing special. I mean, they are special, but it's the normal. There you go, there we have a new rarities. It looks like an Instagram filter, which looks kind of interesting. It gives an interesting dynamic, and if I don't know how the rarity would count, but there's ints in there, so maybe that's the name of the rarity. Then we obviously have ZR and another MR. This one looks great. Alright, I can't wait to open up this box. But before we do that, I have one promo pack. I haven't opened promo packs in a while. But you can open them every time if you order a booster box. Maybe you can even get 2 of them. To do that, you need to order from the seller in my video description. And after you order, write him a message, tcgcomrade. Then he will know that you come from me and will add an extra free promo pack to your order. But let's see. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh boy. This promo card looks amazing. What the hell? It's bent, and also it looks different. So maybe even the promo cards are different with this new kind of story sets. Like they have a whole new look. What they had before looked like an SSR, which was alright. It was fun. It was very good to get. But it looked like an SSR, and some of the cards were like not that special. But holy shit, this one is special. Oh la la, look at those legs. Oh girl, look at that. Okay, let's start with the first one. They feel thick. I forgot how they feel. It's been a very long time since I opened a 5v1 box. I've opened a lot of shit and a lot of very good things, but not a 5v1 box. So let's see what we have here. And why I say that the packs are thick, the 5v1 box, at least the offline version, which this is, have more cards in a pack than all the other boxes. We have the cute maiden. All right. We have a very dangerous lolly. Okay. We have an interesting summer wipes card. Very cool art design. I like it. Then, nothing to say about this, for me at least. Okay, the first SR of this video. The quality is like always, it's just like top notch. Also, the R cards have a very visible shine to them, because sometimes God the Story fucks it up a little bit, and at least the people who print these cards, whatever, SR just looks amazing. Holy shit, can I... Wait a minute. God the Story pushing it too far. I can't show you that. I just can't. I really need to blur this. I mean, it's kind of blurred already, but I don't want to take any chances with YouTube. So there's an area there where my thumb is, which I cannot show you because it's showing already too much. Let's get to the other card. She looks like, she looks familiar. I don't know from what and which, but it looks kind of cute. And the first hit is MR. Get out of here. The first hit, the first freaking pack, and we're starting that strong. MR, and nice one, Danganronpa. I actually looked some of it, some of it, so it's a good card for me to get. I very love it. Oh my god, MR. I don't know, it feels even that MRs are better, like in design or finishing. There's so much going on, there's so much different finishes to this. It's just amazing. It very feels mega special. I mean, obviously always MR felt like this, but I have a feeling that they really got a level up on their cards and their boxes. It's very good to see God the Story. Well done. Well done. We have a new rarity, or not. No, it just looks like something else, but it's just an R. There was a time where the other boxes that came out felt a little bit better than God of Story, or at least at same level. So the God of Story didn't feel that much special, which it did at the beginning of that whole God of Story era. And now they're just leveling up again, just pushing the standards, pushing the limits, and I really love this. Please don't stop. They're now at the top, in my opinion, yet again, without anyone coming even closer to them. It's just amazing. It's just so great. Can't wait to see the new rarity though. We've seen a lot of boobas and the first SSR. Nice hair. I don't know. Man, there's so much shit going on like with anime in games. A lot of them I don't remember or don't know. That's obviously from Sailor Moon, that I know. And then we have this kind of chick again. And then we have what the fuck does she hold? I mean a pillow, but what's this? Okay, and then we have this again, alright. And SR. Oh boy, I mean, girl, look at that. She is stripping. Man, okay. That's from Arknights, I think. Don't know for sure, okay. And we have an SSR. I remember you. Are you from this set? Nope, you're not from this set. Alright. Oh god, God of Story, you're pushing it too far, I love it, but fuck, when do I know that I can show it and when I can't? Right now, God of Story is very good selling itself, is it not? Okay, we have another SR, which is more closed than the one before, and this one has little animals at the back, very interesting. And then SSR. This looks like Ria's Grammar, but it is not, so I have no idea who that is. We have seen you. Oh god, spoilers. All of them are doubles, I believe. An interesting SR. And very interesting SR. Hey, that's Monogatari. And then one of the many Monogatories, I don't know which one. Cute character, I love it. Before I say anything, it's a doll. It doesn't count as a lolly because it's not a living object. That's how it works, right? I don't know. All right. Then we have this, and we have that. Oh goddamn, son! Yeah, you really need that much sun cream on your body, I guess. Okay. That's not much clothes. Okay, hey, the first SR double, the second SR double, and oh my god, she looks so familiar, but I just can't put my mind on it. I don't know where I've seen you, but I've seen you somewhere. Maybe in the other God of Story packs. It is very much possible. Then we have you, and we have already seen you. Alright, come on, give me the new rarity. I can't wait for the new rarity. I've seen you, we haven't seen you. Cute dress, yes, and SSR. Which looks, by the way, I haven't get a close up to SSRs. If my camera will let me, yeah, just like a fine texture, like always, as SSR are great. Yeah, I don't care much about this R card that I got. Ooh, fam, this looks awesome. Is this Fate? I don't know if it's, oh my god, I don't think it is Fate, but holy shit. How much of the card do you want to be a booba? God damn, son. Hey, Danganronpa again. Let's go. Danganronpa. I'm just gonna display it. Oh, Rintosk, sorry. Just because it's Danganronpa and I got MR of Danganronpa, I'm just going to get it here. Come on, new rarity. I'm already through how many packs? And now I have like this. I don't like this. Does it count as a new rarity? I don't think so. Oh my god, we got the same card in a pack 2 times. Fuck you. Alright. Looking interesting. Okay, we're half through the box, I believe. And I still haven't seen the new rarity. Is it like only one new rarity? Because the one had 3 new rarities. It is very much possible that this one has also more, but they're like more rare. Okay, looks kind of weird. I know you, I've seen you so much. I don't need to see you again. That's a nice SR. Okay, go with the guns. Cool. Maybe the new rarity is also like the new hit, like above the SSR. I thought it would like have the same hit rate as the SSR, but definitely it's not the case. That's a nice clothing. Again, these cards, I've already seen them. I've already seen you. That's the young. And look, I don't know what that is, but it's looking very cute. Summer vibes, very nice. It's kind of hot right now. What's happening with your hand there? Looks very weird. But so, ooh la la, girl. Look at you going. Man, okay. Alright, I've seen this, I believe. We definitely have seen this. We haven't seen this. Cute. An SSR. I don't know who that is. Man, I really need to watch more anime again. To step up my God of Story game, there's so much characters that I don't know. There was a time when I early started it to open the God of Story box. I didn't know much characters. Then I watched a lot of anime, and or at least I learned from where the characters came. And there was a time. The SSR double. There was a time when I knew at least like maybe half amount of waifus that I got, but then obviously the new media came and some of the waifus got repetitive as hell. So they switched to the other girls that I don't know, and now I have a lot of characters that I just see first time in my life, or that I've seen before. That's a cute tsundere, but I have no idea where they're coming from. And yeah, that's fucking awesome. That's freaking awesome. That's so cute. I love it. I mean, that's Genshin Impact. I played it for a few hours, so at least I know that. What I was talking about something that I don't know, like very much, a lot of characters. I just don't know. I need to do my research yet again, because I don't fucking know who that is. Do I see something special? Yes, I got an Instagram card. Let's go. A lot of likes, way more than I have. So yes, Azure Lane, freaking awesome. Fuck yeah. Okay, so it comes like as an SR card, at least like it comes in a slot. No, it is not. I don't have an SSR in this pack. So alright, it is an SSR replacement, but it's just like at the middle of the pack. It's just such a simple design, but it gives it so much. If all of the cards would look like this, it wouldn't like give you the same feeling. It would feel very repetitive, really fast. But as it right now, like that's a special card, it feels nice, and then it feels special and looks special. So yet again, well done, God of Story. I don't know if we've seen you. I can't remember. That's okay, and we have a double SSR, very nice. We have a few packs to go. So now the question is, does it count as a hit above the SSR? Because it might, which would mean that that's it. I will not get any more special cards. Although this looks very special, okay. Oh god, what do we have here? Bam! Bam! Holy shit, okay. And, ooh, looks very epic. Nice. This sword is looking deadly. Okay, 3 packs to go. Oba. Hiya. Man, now I'm hungry. God damn it. Hiya and SSR. Okay, that was an Hiya pack. Now again to the Alright. I'm kind of done with all the art. Hey, I've seen you, but I've seen you so much in the other set, and now you hunting me here. Okay, very cool. Yes, very yes. Hey, another mandatory card. Also, it's not a dolly, it's I don't know, 500 years vampire, so it doesn't count. It doesn't count if you smash it. Yes, very cool, I like that. I mean, I like the character and the card, not that you can smash the lowly vampire. Moving on, that's a cool art style. Love this, nice. Okay, I don't care about this ones, I don't know. This Aqua looks weird. It's like Lolly, but then she has a huge booba. I don't like it. Not my cup of tea. That's more like it. And SSR. So yes, the answer on my question is this card replaces the PTR probably. I haven't seen a PTR on the side of the box, so maybe they got rid of PTR from 5.1. So guys, thank you for watching and I will see you in another one. And by the way, let me know in the comments, what do you think about this rarity of Goddess Story?